Everyone, today I'm excited to show you this Tavio Castor Oil Kit. It includes pure castor oil, a soft pouch, and a detailed guide. It's great for natural hair and skincare.
If you've been seeing the Tavio Castor Oil Pack Bundle all over the internet promising detox, gut health support, reduced bloating, and relief from inflammation, you're probably wondering whether it's a genuine wellness aid or just another overhyped product. The bundle is marketed as a natural solution designed to be worn over the abdomen so castor oil can be absorbed through the skin, a method that has been used traditionally for comfort and relaxation. However, when examining the product more closely, several concerns appear that shoppers should consider before purchasing. The promotional images look overly polished and appear reused across multiple listings, which can sometimes signal generic branding rather than a unique product. Heavy discount tactics and limited-time countdown offers create urgency that pressures buyers into quick decisions instead of informed ones. The marketing also includes broad medical and detox claims, suggesting support for multiple health conditions without providing strong clinical references, which is a common red flag in wellness advertising. Additionally, statistical statements about effectiveness and customer satisfaction are presented without verifiable sources, making them difficult to confirm. Claims about large customer demand and high purchase volume are highlighted, yet independent reviews and reliable third-party feedback remain limited. While castor oil packs have been traditionally used for comfort and relaxation, results can vary widely depending on individual health factors and expectations. Overall, the product sits in a gray area. It may offer comfort benefits similar to traditional castor oil pack use, but the marketing approach raises questions that buyers should evaluate carefully before deciding.